Hello, everyone. Welcome to English Speaking Podcast.
Let's learn, practice, and speak English together.
Your dream isn't the problem.
It's the way you're talking about it, or not talking about it at all.
Most people carry a dream for years and never say it out loud, not even once.
In the next few minutes, that changes.
Stay till the end because the last 30 seconds might actually surprise you. Hi, everyone. Welcome back in English Speaking Podcast.
My name's Olivia.
And my name is Alex.
If our conversations help your English, hit like right now. It genuinely helps this video reach more learners.
And subscribe so you don't miss what's coming.
Today's topic, dreams and goals.
Olivia, quick question. Be honest. Do you have a goal right now that you've never told anyone?
Actually, yes.
Say it.
Okay, fine. I want to write a book someday. I've never said that on camera before.
See it? That felt strange, right?
Very strange. My heart is actually beating faster.
That's exactly why we're doing this episode.
Okay, let's define our words first. What is a goal?
A goal is something you want to achieve.
And a dream?
Bigger. It's something you deeply want for your life.
So dreams are the destination, goals are the map.
Exactly. My dream is to live near the ocean one day.
And your goal for that?
Saving a little money every single month, even when it's hard.
Wait, here's a line worth remembering.
Dreams are the destination. Goals are the map. Say that with me.
Dreams are the destination, goals are the map.
Save that one. Can I tell you something I've never actually admitted before?
Now I'm curious.
2 years ago, I wanted to become a professional photographer. I saved for 8 months for one camera.
I remember that camera.
Then a job offer came abroad, good money, and I said yes. I sold the camera 3 weeks later.
You sold it?
I couldn't even look at it. It felt like giving up.
That sounds painful, honestly.
It was. For a while, I felt like I'd failed at something before I even really started.
So what changed?
One night, I took a photo on my phone, just the sunset outside my new apartment, and I felt that same feeling again.
The feeling from before?
Yes, I realized the dream was never become a professional. The dream was that feeling.
So the goal changed shape, but the dream stayed alive.
Exactly. Now my goal is simple. One great photo every trip. No camera needed.
That's such an important lesson for English learners, too.
Maybe your goal was passing one exam. Later, it becomes something else completely, and that's allowed.
But here's the mistake almost everyone makes with their goals.
Oh, this one's important.
Inside and outside goals.
What do you mean?
An outside kind,
A promotion, a certificate, a number in the bank. All outside things.
but some goals come from inside.
Like writing a little every day just for yourself.
The healthiest goals usually mix both.
We can say it simply. I want this for myself, or I want this to build my future. No big vocabulary needed for that.
Breaking big goals into small steps.
Now, let's be honest. Sometimes a goal feels impossibly big.
Like a mountain in front of your face.
I want to speak fluent English. That sounds terrifying to say out loud.
So don't say that. Say, I'll learn 5 words today.
That's a hill, not a mountain.
And after each hill, a small reward.
A song, a walk, 5 minutes of nothing.
Small goals, small rewards, real progress every single time.
If your goal feels too big right now, pause and do this.
Shrink it until it's almost embarrassingly small, then just start.
That's it. That's the whole trick.
Let's learn how to actually say this in English.
My goal is to speak confidently in meetings.
I'm working towards a promotion this year.
And so that, for your reason, I'm practicing daily so that I can travel next year.
And I'm aiming to finish this course by December.
Comment below with one of these sentences using your real goal. We'll read some out in the next episode.
Now, what actually kills most people's goals? It's not laziness.
What is it then?
Comparison.
Honestly, when I see someone who already has what I want, I feel behind every time.
That feeling is unfair to yourself, and here's why.
Why?
You're comparing your day 1 to their day 1,000.
That's uncomfortably accurate.
Compare yourself only to your past self. Last year, could you have done this episode?
Honestly, no, not even close.
That's not small. That's real proof you're moving.
Role play 1, a job interview.
I'm the interviewer. Olivia, where do you see yourself in 5 years?
My goal is to grow into a leadership role in marketing.
What's driving that goal?
Honestly, I love watching an idea grow into something real and guiding people through that.
That answer felt true, not rehearsed.
Because it is true.
Role play 2. Talking to a friend who's ready to quit on a dream.
I'll help this time. Go.
I wanted to start my own business. Now it just feels impossible.
Impossible or just a lot right now?
Maybe just a lot.
Then don't start a business today. Write one paragraph about your idea today.
That I can actually do.
Big dreams survive on small, boring, doable actions.
Role play 3. A lighter one now. A first date.
So, Olivia, what's a dream you're actually chasing right now?
I'm working towards opening a small bookshop one day.
What pulls you toward that specifically?
The idea of one quiet room where someone finds the exact book they needed without knowing they needed it.
On a date, that says more about you than any job title could.
One more. A parent talking to a child who wants to quit painting class.
I'll be the parent. He says he wants to stop completely.
What does he actually enjoy about it when he's in it?
Honestly, mixing colors and making a total mess.
Then the goal was never become a great painter. It's enjoy one messy hour a week.
That takes all the pressure off instantly. A few powerful words before we close.
Aspiration. A strong hope to achieve something. My aspiration is to write a book someday.
Ambition. A strong desire to succeed. She has a lot of ambition in her career.
Vision. A clear picture of your future. My vision is a life full of travel and learning.
And milestone, an important point on the way. Finishing this course is a big milestone.
Practice these with us, out loud if you can.
My goal is to grow, one small step at a time.
My motivation comes from watching my own progress.
I compare myself only to who I was yesterday.
Small goals, small rewards, real progress.
Summary. Quick summary. Dreams are the destination, goals are the steps.
Goals are allowed to change shape.
Shrink big goals until they're almost too easy to skip.
Stop comparing to others, only to your past self.
And connect your goals to real joy, not just pressure.
Closing. Unexpected twist. So, yeah, that book you mentioned earlier?
Oh no.
What's the first sentence going to be?
I actually don't know yet.
Then that's your homework, not the book. Just one sentence.
One sentence. Okay, I can do one sentence.
Comment your dream below in exactly one word. We'll pick a few and talk about them next time.
See you in the next episode.